Here we've got Xiaomi Black Shark 3, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the camera app, then tap on the more icon, and here click on timer. Pick 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or turn it off. So just by tapping you can change the options. Let me pick 5 seconds delay, and now you can smoothly grab it. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, and then you can smoothly turn it off the same way just by clicking once, and as you can see now the picture will be taken right after you click. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can activate camera timer in your Xiaomi Black Shark 3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.